know if you can see my face at all. This camera I got's not real good at doing nighttime footage. But we're on a night tow. I'm fixing to yank one. One of our security officers, he called. He's got something they want towed, so we're gonna oblige to come over here and yank it. We'll be pulling in just a minute. Going to the 17 building. I believe that's at the back. It's probably it might be a handicap spot that they're trying to protect. We'll find out.
Yeah, but it's the parking. That's what I'm saying. Where? Well, I'll flip right now, man. Flip right now.
You gotta pay it out. You gotta pay it out, man. It's hooked.
I gotta do what?
You gotta pay it out. It's hooked.
Pay it out, man. You
it's
don't
hooked.
get it on there.
It's got a hook on the back of it. What do you mean it's not on there? It's on halfway on there.
Right off, man.
No, man. It don't work like
you
that.
You take the hook right off, man.
It don't work like that. I can't.
Man.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. I'll take it with me then.
Huh?
You realize who this right here? He's the security officer for the property.
Man, security officer only want to, man.
Yeah.
Look here. You playing park cut out.
You parked in a handicap spot, man.
My key.
You parked in a handicap spot, man. That's just what it is.
Sir. Yeah, you gonna take me with it?
Yeah.
I don't have no stick. We're gonna have a battle right now. Let's do something.
My car.
No, I ain't taking nothing.
Why are you trying to take my car?
I ain't taking nothing.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wait. Let me say this back right here.
What we gonna do?
Forward and move it.
My man,
We just
take it off.
Hey, Greg.
Take it off or I take it off.
Greg, I got it. No, he explained something to me.
Let's do so.
Hey, Greg, he explained something to me. Wait.
Explain it.
Let him know, Greg, he
explained.
explained. Hey, Greg, sir, look, we wait for parking and we move it at night. So I promise you, if you look at it in the morning, when we get up at 7:30, it's right there on the corner.
Well,
it's
he's
right
already
there.
hooked it into the machine. So now it's something you have to deal with.
Okay, so but why is they towing? I didn't get no warning. Why did they tow my car?
Man, I have the pictures that I myself have put on your door, the orange
On
tag.
which door? Which door?
The orange tag on your car, man.
I didn't get no orange
your
tag
tag.
today. Not today, I promise you.
There's
I
an
was
orange
right
tag
there
on
last
there right
night.
now.
Sir, I promise you, I was there last night. You can, I parked next to the officer that lived there.
I
I
have all the
promise you.
pictures here.
Okay, sir, but I
all
don't
the
park.
times
I
that it's
move
been tagged.
every night because of the thing. I have a brace on my leg. I park right there. We move it. Sir, if you got the picture for real, you know I park right there on that corner. Okay, but you're saying it's there every day. That's not true, sir.
Like
That
I
is
said,
not
I've already
true.
tagged it several times.
I told you, I honestly park there every single day. But once.
Take up with him, but he cannot get in that car and move that car
Okay,
when it's
Greg, Greg, please don't move the car.
Hey, it's $100 drop fee. Credit card, cash. It's
Okay,
not.
I'll
It's
pay,
not a.
I'll pay that.
It's not a. Hey, it's not a racket. It's not a racket. It's not. Underhanded. I'm not collecting the money. It's company. It's all company.
I understand.
Yeah, I got a credit.
understand
We got a
where
girl
that
answer the phone right now.
every
Definitely
single
speak
day,
to
sir.
management in the morning, and they will go ahead and gladly deal with that, but he cannot move that vehicle.
No,
He
he's
wants
not,
to go to
sir.
jail.
He's not. I promise you.
Who you
he's
talking
not.
about?
Hey, Gregory, please, Gregory. I got it. I
All
got it
right,
taken care
you
of.
finna pay for it now? It's not going on his right
Okay,
now.
Gregory, he just said it's a drop fee.
Yeah, no, it's going to be dropped. You have the right. And the state, yeah, right now. The state, listen, right now, the state law, you got the right to pay it out on property, unless you got a crooked toe guy. I'm not a crooked toe. I'm straight up. We're not going. We do it by the law. You got the right. It's an operable vehicle. It's got the right to pay out.
That's cool.
Okay, I'll write her receipt. I'll write her receipt.
Me and the rack can go.
Out here.
That's all to it.
Yeah.
My thing is, I just saw it. I thought we supposed to move it right there. I didn't mean it. I just couldn't park there ever.
Repeatedly having to get the tags. That's-
No, I just
those
think
are
they meant
warnings.
for us to not to park there at that time. So you're right. But let me tell you something, to be honest with you. I've been here for 3 years and I've been parking right there and nobody never bothered me, to be honest with you.
Well, I've been doing this for a year and some change.
Oh,
And
see?
yeah,
Yeah, you just started here, okay.
yeah.
But you won't see it there anymore. I don't think I'm just...
Let me give you a copy of it too. I appreciate you. I appreciate you staying calm.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Hey, listen, it's not, and it's not just you either. We've been towing out of here at night. It's not your building just got hit, but he's not just picking on you.
I was saying.
It's a bunch of cars.
You gotta say there's money up in there.
I know.
And-
I know.
I'm sorry, dude. I don't want to jail. You ain't
I know.
me missing.
I know. I ain't listen. That's the thing about it.
But like I said,
But hey,
it-
listen. In a situation like that, somebody towing your car, you got the right to get your stuff out of the car.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
You got the right to get your stuff out.
Hey, what you saying?
That's fair. If you're
It ain't
there,
got no more.
that's law too.
Because see, I got my green van last time, but I tagged that on, got it, so I got that on the back last time.
Did you?
I paid
Yeah.
20 for that. I ain't
Wow.
got no money to get
Yeah. Appreciate you calming him down. Listen, us men, we do that.
Usually he does. I told him,
That's
I said he's
common.
been a person that goes...
Yeah.
I be trying to video you.
You know the reason. You know what the reason the payout.
Oh,
The
no,
reason the
he
payout on
understood.
property
He
is by
understood.
state law.
Yes.
Is to keep the confrontation from getting worse. That's the reason they have it.
I understand that.
And that's-
thank
Next
you
time
so
I'll come
much.
in uniform in case that ever happens.
Yeah. Well, he stayed calm. He pulled it together. Yeah. Have a good one. Thanks, sir. Yep.
You're not towing no more cars over here, are you?
No. It's up to him. He's running the property. He's clean. He's not just your building. It's a lot of buildings. Anyway, I guess you figured out. We pulled out. I'm at a gas station up the street, but that particular parking spot was a handicap spot. This property here, they were towing out of at night. They're trying to straighten out the handicap parking spots and no parking zones, stuff like that. And they got a security officer. He's a sheriff, and he's serious about his job. He's going to take care of the parking problems. And that's why they called us out there. But that gentleman, he came out. He was fixing to try to drive it off the truck. He fired it up and was fixing to try to drive it. He wasn't going nowhere, not unless he broke the cable. But he would have had to run the sign over and run up on the curb to get off the truck. He was in a spot he couldn't get out, not without hitting the car. But he finally calmed down. His wife came out and she was very calm, man. Us men, we do that. We tend to freak out, man. Women do too, but she kept it cool, and she handled the situation. He told me that he had a lot of money in the vehicle, or something worth value in the vehicle, and he could not have the vehicle leaving. That was the big issue there with that car. Was something was in that vehicle that he was very worried about. Anyway, we're going to roll to the house. That's the way it goes. We went and got it. Another handicapped cheater, man. We got him. But the lady claimed something was wrong with her leg, and I'm not going to doubt that, man. I'm not going to doubt that she had a bad leg, that she wasn't super young, and she very well could have something wrong with her leg. In a case like that, man, if you got something wrong and you got a handicap, you got to go get the permit. That's all she needs to do is go get her handicap permit, and they can park in that space. Because I honestly think, as cool as she was, I honestly think that she was telling the truth about her leg being hurt. Anyway, enough said. I'm gonna quit yapping. Stay tuned.